Have you ever stepped outside on a chilly morning and exhaled? You suddenly see a small white cloud in front of your face. Your breath becomes foggy, isn't it? What you're actually seeing is science in action. Let's try to understand what happens. The air we breathe is not just carbon dioxide, it also contains a lot of water vapor which is invisible in the normal conditions. Inside our lungs, the air is warm and moist. But when this warm, moist air leaves our mouth, it meets the cold outside air. And something interesting happens. The cold air can't hold as much water vapor as warm air can. So when the two mix, the temperature of the vapor drops rapidly and the water vapor condenses, turning from an invisible gas into tiny droplets of liquid water and ice suspended in the air. These droplets scatter light in all directions, just like mist or fog, making your breath visible as a faint white cloud, what we call as foggy breath. It's the same process that forms clouds in the sky. Warm air rises, cools, and moisture inside condenses into droplets. The only difference here is that the cloud is small enough to fit right in front of your face. Now notice how you don't see your breath on warm days. That's because the surrounding air is already warm enough to keep water vapor in gaseous form. It doesn't condense, so it remains invisible. To sum it up, your breath contains warm, moist air. When it hits the cold air outside, the moisture condenses into tiny droplets. These tiny droplets scatter the light. That's why you see foggy breath. In short, seeing your breath on a cold day is just condensation, the same physics behind fog, clouds, and morning dew. The next time you step out into a winter chill and see your breath hanging in the air, you can smile and say that you've just made your own tiny cloud. For more such science explainers, subscribe to UPSC Simplified.